You look forward yun?
We look forward to play against the champion teams from different Southeast Asian countries. Asian countries. So we're very, very excited. But I guess we can also veer away from the fact that we have to also focus on our campaign this conference sa all Filipinos at well, I just said it a few weeks ago, but ngayon, binibigyan rin kami ng pagkakataon at binigyan ako ng chance. So, I'll take it as a really big opportunity to, showcase again siguro kung ano yung mga things na natutunan ko sa mga previous experiences of the national. So, yeah, very blessed to be given this opportunity and I hope maging maayos and maganda yung mapakita namin for the national for the Philippines.
Three reports yung pwede sa Champions League, baka may personal wish list na lang.
Wow, may wish list ako. Honestly, I think those things, syempre management and coaches namin yung mag-usap for those things, for those kind of mga internal matters, but I'd say my wish list.
Erika.
Definitely, Erika. We want Erika to be back in our team. And hopefully, ako talaga, I really, as a team, we trust Coach Sherwin and our management kung sino yung feeling nila makakatulong sa amin. We welcome them wholeheartedly and for sure makakatulong talaga at makakakontribute sila sa team.
Support pa natin yung over.
It's been a while. The last time I feel like I played for the national team in front of our home crowd was back in 2019, the SEA Games. So very, very exciting. It's just so nice na laging kahit pa paano kasama natin mga kababayan natin lumaban representing our country. So exciting times for Philippine volleyball. Hindi lang naman ito yung look forward natin. Madaming mga tournaments, international tournaments, most especially the men's World Championship will be here also in June. So exciting times for Philippine volleyball. We're really excited if those scenario will come through. Then we really miss Gia and get wait to see her back in action, also wearing the pink jersey. But we still don't know kung ano yung mga things na yung mga commitments niya pagdating sa mga contract niya outside Manila, outside Team 9 and the national team as well. So yeah, we're just hoping and praying na mas maging maganda yung lineup namin this coming ABC Championships. Thank you guys!
Thank you!